What's up, locals? I'm here in Shreveport, Louisiana at one of the best local places right here on Line Avenue to come eat, called Superior Grill. Are you ready? Let's go! So I'm at Superior Grill in Shreveport, Louisiana, my hometown. I'm really excited to be here. Darren couldn't be here because he couldn't make the trip. That's okay. He's gonna be in Kansas City soon. So anyway, the first thing you get when you sit down at Superior Grill is you get chips and hot sauce. And it is some of the best you'll ever eat. So here we go. I haven't had this in many years. I'm really excited to take a bite. Just as good as it used to be. It's just got a very good tomato flavor with a lot of spice. And this is that hot sauce. I talked about this hot sauce in an earlier video when we were eating Heat Mavericks hot sauce. And this is the kind of sauce you just want to keep eating, because if you stop, your mouth tends to be a little bit on fire. So you just keep shoveling these in and it's delicious. So I'm going back in for more. By far one of the best margaritas you can buy on the planet. The Superior Regular Margarita. It has once been said that the alcohol was so strong in these that it would eat through these styrofoam cups. Now I never saw that, well, I might have seen that happen, but you won't hear that from me. So I'm here with a couple other very close friends and family, and we're gonna share this. So drink responsibly. But it is delicious. You gotta put the pinky out like that, you know. Another staple here, if you come to Superior, you have to get this queso. People have searched online how to make this stuff. It is that good. Extremely cheesy, it's got cheese chunks in it. It's got peppers. It's delicious. Regular queso. Creamy, cheesy, perfect amount of spice. It's delicious. I'll probably eat this whole thing today. When you order fajitas or any kind of skirt steak or something, you always get rice in this delicious tortilla soup with chunks of vegetables and a little bit of chicken and stuff. And the best thing to do is add your rice to the soup and go to town. So we're gonna do that real fast. I like to just dip it. So good, and they bring it to you before the fajitas come out, or the steak. And I usually have this done before that. Probably will today too. So I got the Vaca Pinta, which is a butterflied skirt steak cooked grilled over mesquite wood. It's just delicious. Steam coming off of it when they bring it to you. I'm gonna smell like this thing all day, which is not a bad thing when you love Superior Grill like I do. So, comes with grilled onions and grilled bell peppers, a thing of butter here that's, you know, boiling as they bring it to you because the plate is so hot, but it's so delicious. I dip every bite into that. They also give you another salsa, which is like a warm salsa, which has a bit of a different flavor than the tomato-y salsa they give you when you come in. But here's that. It is delicious. Best thing to do is just cut up the skirt steak, put it in a tortilla, eat a little fajita taco. So here we go. Give you a big knife to cut it with. But be careful because that knife can get hot sitting on the plate. Speaking from experience. So I add the onions, the peppers, the meat. You can, if you have rice left over, you can add some of that to it, but always eat it in the soup because it's really good. Make a fajita, dip it in the butter. Hot, really hot. I forgot how hot that first bite was because I did just say the butter was boiling. Did not burn anything in the mouth, so that's good. I can still taste it. Still just as delicious as ever. Man, that is so good. They know how to cook a skirt steak here. They also do delicious chicken fajitas the same way. got to come down. If you're ever in Shreveport, Louisiana, come to Superior Grill. Get this dish, get the margarita, get some queso. You're not going to regret it. Now I'm going to sit back and enjoy. If you're ever in Shreveport, Louisiana, need to come right here to Superior Grill, Superior Bar and Grill. Get you a margarita, get some of that skirt steak. It's delicious. As always, I'm Troy, and Darren, usually right over here, we're reminding you to live local. See you next time. Gosh, what kind of soup is this?
I forget.
I can't remember. It's called fajitas. No, it's
Tortilla soup?
tortilla soup. Yes.
I didn't know that's what that was.
Okay, so I got the. I'm gonna look that up again because it's Spanish and I don't know Spanish. So I got the La Vaca. Oh my gosh, La Vaca Pinta.